Hi guys. Let's start with cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a virtual currency via the internet, which uses cryptography to perform transactions. There are more than 1,000 cryptocurrencies, the best known is Bitcoin. It is usually stored in an electronic wallet, protected by a key and a password. The plus. Not dependent on a bank. Made for the internet, facilitating access to online commerce. Transactions are public, but transactions are addresses. No counterfeit. Resistance to computer attacks. Transfer fees are lower than banks. Fast transfers. No limits in transfers. No intermediary. Irreversibility of transactions. Storage on a server or on a key. The low impact of cryptocurrencies on the general public, till the $150 million in March 2016 for Bitcoin. Poorly developed but expanding payment network. Dilution of the interest to adopt one more than another, due to the development of several types of cryptocurrency in parallel. Volatility. Risk of deflation, hyperinflation by insufficient or excessive monetary creation. Irreversibility of transactions. Cryptocurrency is definitely lost after losing a USB key. Energy consumption due to more and more important mining. Some basic notions. The wallet contains the address. The private key secures bitcoins. You can store the wallet on an online service, on a USB key. Mining. The miners discovered that the process could be done by graphics cards, but they used a lot of electrical energy and therefore a very high heat. A mining product has been launched to replace computers, but it still consumes a lot of energy. To overcome the difficulties associated with the mining operation, miners' pools was created to find solutions. The extraction of money will follow several steps. First, a mining apparatus. Many extraction devices are available. The last born is the Antminer S9. By using Bitcoin BitTorrent calculator, according to your data, you will be told what you can get by using this or that device. Second, a Bitcoin wallet. You need to own your money. You can change your address every week. Blockchain. The blockchain is a numerical register where all the exchanges between its users are listed. It is secured and shared by its different users directly, allowing everyone to check the validity of the chain. It is anonymous and tamper-proof. Blockchain is the technology, the architecture used by Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. How it works. The blockchain is a network of nodes. Each node receives a copy of the blockchain and is an administrator. By nodes. Participation in the network gives rise to rewards. The first to succeed will receive a certain amount of cryptocurrency. Why the blockchain? The exact origin of a product. Prevent identity theft. Secure the votes. A blockchain, or chain of blocks, makes it possible to store and transmit information. Token, a unit based on the blockchain, issued to allow users to perform transactions. It can be used as a means of payment, to grant right or to transfer data. Bitcoin. Digital currency, electronic, virtual, decentralized, cryptocurrency are all terms used to describe Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency, which can be used to exchange on the internet. It's not the only one, but it's the one with the most users. Anyone can become a Bitcoin user and becomes one of the nodes of the network. All transactions are recorded in a public and shared register, the blockchain. It is designed to self-regulate and will be limited to 21 million units divisible up to the 8th decimal, the Satoshi. The Bitcoin code is open source, so visible to all. There are several types of portfolios to store Bitcoin. Its disadvantages? Overexploited network. There are many nodes that validation can take time. An update is recommended. The internal war between the three Bitcoins, the classic Bitcoin, the Bitcoin Cash, BCH, and the Bitcoin Gold, BTG. At the time of writing, 1 BTC equals 17.48 BCH. Bitcoin Gold has not yet emerged. Very energy hungry. Participation in monetary creation, called mining, follows logarithmic pattern. The price of Bitcoin has made its popularity. In 2010, it was worth only a few cents, against 6.436,29 euro at the time of writing this article. Other cryptocurrencies, altcoins, in their course, visit coinmarketcap.com. The faucets allows you to recover small fractions of cryptocurrencies. These sites are funded by advertising and CAPTCHA. All you need is an email address and will. In 2 steps you will earn your first few currencies. 1. Create an online portfolio. What is a portfolio in blockchain? A blockchain portfolio is a digital wallet that allows users to manage Bitcoin and Ether. A multitude of micro online portfolios exist. I recommend the following for your faucets. 1. Faucet.ru. Wallet Bitcoin. Bonus Bitcoin. Holy Transaction. CoinPot. CoinPot is a micro bowl to recover the gains of several hawks. An email address is used to connect. It includes Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and Dash. It also converts all currencies for free into one. An excellent site. CoinPro. CoinPro, a multi-portfolio. You must register to start earning 24 hours after the account is created. Moonlitco. Win the Bitcoin in 5 minutes evolutionary gains, minimum 100 Litoshis. Instantaneous. Moondodge.co. Earn Dodge just after 5 minutes, minimum 0.5 Dogecoin. Instantaneous. Moonbit.co. Earn Bitcoin after only 5 minutes, minimum 2 Satoshis. Instantaneous. Pinfun.co. Earn Bitcoin after 5 minutes, minimum 6 Satoshis. Instantaneous. Moondash.co. Earn Dash after 5 minutes, min 50 Satoshis. Instantaneous. Mooncash. Earn Bitcoin after 5 minutes, min 25 BCH Satoshis. Instantaneous. Direct faucets. CoinBulb. Earn Bitcoin. 0.0003 MBTC. 0.15 MBTC. Faucet Pay. Earn fractions of Bitcoin, Litecoin and others. After 5 minutes, 4 Satoshis. Instantaneous. Register. Airdrops. An airdrop is a free gain of cryptocurrency, used by the creators to announce their project. It can be profitable, with each participant collecting the equivalent of $1 to $20. There are other portfolios: Bitcoin Corp, Electrum, Signa, BTC Wallet, Bread Wallet, Bither, Green Pieces, Multibit HD, Mycelium, GoBit, etc. Software for cryptocurrencies. Minergate. GUI Miner. CryptoTab. Computa. Desktop Mining. Hashflare.io. Free Bitcoin Generator. Bitminer. Bitminer. Bitcoin buying sites: CoinHouse, Coinbase, Alpha Cashier, Bitcoin.da, Local Bitcoins. Get free fractions of Bitcoin: freebitco.in. Games: Spark Profit, Altcoin Fantasy. The interface: Tremor Games. Bitfun.co, Satoshi Quiz BTC, Thakara, iOS only, Ocropstorm Play, BigQuest Spells of Genesis, Coin Brawl BTC Farm. Site: infinitytrafficboost.com. Let's start with a little exercise. To do this, it's very simple. Choose one of the following 3 options or do all 3 at once. First of all, you have to have an address Bitcoin wallet. This address is necessary to be able to receive your gains. You can have a Bitcoin wallet address for free and have the option to convert them into EUR or USD. Create an account CoinPot to enjoy the benefits of faucet linked to it. Click here to create a free account CoinPot. Create an account for Bitcoin mining without doing anything thanks to Minergate, a secure software placed on your PC that will do the work for you. And watch your winnings increase just by leaving your PC on. That's all for today. See you in another video.